A very happy morning, children. Hope you're all doing good. I welcome you all to the computer class. In our previous classes, we had discussed about what's a computer, places where computers are used, uses of a computer, comparison or the differences between a computer and a man, and also working of a computer. So today also it will be the continuation of lesson 1, and you'll be learning about the advantages and the disadvantages of a computer. So in your textbook, in page 11, you will be having the advantages of a computer, and in page 12, you'll be having the disadvantages of a computer. Okay, so we'll begin with that today's lesson. Okay, so in page 11 we are having advantages of computer. So we'll go clockwise, children. Okay, so the first advantage of a computer is teaching. So it helps the teachers. Here it refers to the computer. Okay, computer helps the teachers to get information on any topic on the internet as well as present it nicely. So using a computer, teachers can get any kind of information on any topic on the internet. Okay, using internet, teachers can get any information on any topic, and after getting the information also, they can present it very well. That is, they can present it nicely. Okay, so it helps the teachers to get information on any topic on the internet as well as present it nicely. So using internet on a computer, we can get any information on any topic, and after getting the information also, the teachers can present it in a very nice manner. Next one is storage capacity. So a computer stores a large amount of information. So as a computer has a very large storing capacity, it stores a large amount of information. Next one is multitasking. It can do many tasks at the same time. For example, you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer. So a computer is a multitasker. That is, as they have only given, it does many tasks at the same time. And example also they have given that you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer, right? You may be typing a letter in MS Word on a computer. You want to hear music, you can also play the music on a computer, as well as if you want to calculate something, you can open the calculator and calculate it. So you can do different tasks. Task is nothing but work. Okay, so you can do many tasks at the same time on a computer. Okay, and here the example they have given us, you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer. Okay, the next one is automation. A computer can work in an automatic way. Okay, whatever the work we give to a computer, it does in an automatic way. Okay, the heading of this advantage is automation. So a computer can work in an automatic way. Whatever the work it does in an automatic way. This makes our work less prone to errors. So as it does in an automatic way, whatever work we make a computer to do, it will be less prone to errors. That after the completion of the work, there will be no errors. Errors is nothing but mistakes, because a computer never does mistakes, right? So you cannot find any mistakes in the work what a computer has done. Okay, less prone to errors means likely. Okay, it may be a mistake from our end, but a computer never does a mistake. So the work what a computer would have finished, it would be likely to do errors. It may be, the work may be a mistake from our end, but not from the computer's end. Okay, so there will be no errors or the less errors which will be from our end. Okay, so a computer works on an automatic way. Next is electronic presentation, text and pictures. Okay, text means whatever you are seeing here. Okay, with the picture also it is there. Text means it's nothing but a paragraph, a word, whatever it is typed. Okay, text and pictures in a computer can be presented in a beautiful way. If we just read this line, okay, it is a common sentence or a phrase, but how colorfully they have done this, right? So in a cloudy manner with the different colors, right? It attracts us because they have presented it in a beautiful way. Okay, so text and pictures in a computer can be presented in a beautiful way. So this is also an advantage. Whatever you type, whatever you do, or draw a picture or color it, or if you paste something on a computer, it can be presented in a very beautiful way. Moreover, these can be edited whenever needed. If we do something on a sheet of paper or in a book, okay, if we do a mistake, we will erase it using an eraser, right? So, but the mark would be remain the same, okay? It will be there, but we can edit whenever we need it on a computer. If you want to present some text or pictures in a beautiful way, we can present it. Moreover, we can edit the same whenever we need in an electronic presentation. Next point or the next advantage is calculation. A computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistake. Okay, calculation, as it has a calculator, a computer can perform complex calculations, means very tough calculations which will be very hard for us or human being or a man. So a computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistakes. So this is very important. Without making any mistake, a computer can perform a very hard calculations or very tough problems or sums too. Next one is entertainment. The next advantage is entertainment. It is a good source of entertainment for the children. For an example, it will be a rainy day. So Amma will not leave you to go out and play, as it is the tough time nowadays. Whatever we are going through, we can't go out also. We need some kind of entertainment, right? So a computer provides a good source of entertainment for the children as well as everyone. So entertainment factor is filled in a computer, as it is a good source of entertainment for the children. You can watch movies, you can like what to say, you can hear music, you can see a dance performance, whatever you want. All the entertainment factors you can watch on a computer, as it is a good source of entertainment. Next one and the last advantage is speed. A computer works very fast without getting tired. This speed is the biggest advantage of a computer. A computer works very fast without getting tired. As I had given the example in my previous classes, if your maths teacher gives you a sum, 54 plus 44 plus 34 plus 24 plus 14 plus 4 is equal to how much? If she gives you, you will take maximum 10 minutes to count, or let us take 5 minutes, right? But the same sum, if we give it to a computer to calculate or add, within a fraction of a second, it will give us the result or the answer, right? So a computer works very fast without getting tired. Doing the same thing or doing the same work again and again, we feel bored and we get tired and we feel sleepy also, right? But a computer never gets tired, right children? We have learned it in our previous class. So without getting tired, a computer works very fast because of its speed. So these points were the advantages of a computer. I'll revise it once again. First one is teaching, where teachers can get any information on any topic on the internet and they can present it very nicely using a computer. Next one was storage capacity, where a computer will be having a large amount of storing capacity and it can store a large amount of information also. Next one was multitasking. A computer, as you all know, it can do many tasks at the same time, and they had given the example that you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer also. You can do calculations, you can browse everything, right children? Next one was automation. A computer can do or work in an automatic way, as we know, and it makes our work less prone to errors. So mistakes will be very less. Whatever mistakes happen, it may happen from a man or a human being, but not from the computer. Next one is electronic presentation. Whatever text and pictures in a computer we do, we can present it in a very beautiful way. If we want to present a text and pictures in a computer, it can be presented in a beautiful way. And the very most positive thing is, if we present something in an electronic presentation, we can edit also whenever we need it. Next is calculation. A computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistakes. So if we have a tough problem or a tough sum, okay, a computer can perform those problems or sum also without doing any mistakes. Next one is entertainment. Entertainment, that is whatever a computer, using a computer, children or it's a good source of entertainment for the children, as it's a entertainment factor. We can watch movies, we can watch dance show, whatever it is. Entertainment factor is filled in a computer, we can watch. It's a good source of entertainment for the children. Next one is speed. As you very well know, a computer works very fast without getting tired. So these points were the advantages of a computer. Next, we will go to the disadvantages of a computer. Okay, disadvantages of computer. Again, we will go clockwise. So the first disadvantage of a computer is decisions. A computer works on human orders, as it cannot take its own decisions. So whatever a man says, a computer does. It works according to the man's order and it cannot take its own decisions. Okay. So decisions, whatever a computer works on human orders. It cannot take its own decisions. But a human being or a man can take his own decisions. Next point is impact on environment. A computer depends on electricity. You all know that, as a computer is an electronic machine and it runs means it's nothing but work. As it works only on electricity, a computer depends on electricity, right? To generate electricity, a lot of fuel is burned in power plants that causes pollution. So fuel means it can be petrol, diesel, kerosene, like this. So to generate electricity, a lot of fuel is burned, or a gas is also done. Okay. So to generate electricity, if we want electricity, a lot of fuel is burnt in power plants. Power plants means a big plants will all be there in the industrial areas. Okay. So they use this fuel to burn and get the electricity. So a lot of fuel is burnt in power plants that causes pollution. If the smokes come out of the industrial area or from a power plant, then that smoke covers the in and around environment, right? So that causes pollution, and it is a huge effect on environment, right? Next one is cyber crime. Nowadays, this is happening very much. Using an internet, they can do whatever they want, right? It should not be in a negative way, but we need to use the computer in a very positive way. Cyber crime. Use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, banking frauds, etc. As this digitalization era, so for an example, if we are having an account in some bank and everything, the records of us and the details of our bank account, everything will be in a soft copy which is saved in the computer. So using an internet, they can steal our data, or banking frauds also can be done using the internet on a computer. So cyber crime. Use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, whatever it is recorded and which is there in our computer, which is very personal or confidential. Using the internet, they can steal those data. Banking frauds can be done. That is, whatever the amount a person will be having in a bank account, they can steal that or they can take that, etc. So cybercrime, use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, banking frauds, etc. Next disadvantage is costly. As you very well know, it may be a computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, PC, everything. These devices are costly. So a computer is a costly device. Costly means the amount we need to pay to purchase it, it will be very expensive or more or costly. Next is virus attacks. Your computer system is prone to virus. That is, all computer systems will be very much attacked by the virus. If attacked, it may not function as desired. So it will be, for an example, we'll be having a computer. It would be working very nicely. Once if a virus attacks a computer system, it may not function as desired. A person nowadays, whatever it is we are going through, that is COVID-19 case, right? It is also a virus, coronavirus, right? It's also a virus. So a person will be very healthy. He'll be breathing nicely. He'll be having a sport. He'll be very healthy. Once if a person is attacked from that virus, he can't function, or his body parts, internal body parts will not work or function as desired. He may have breathing problem later. He may die also, right? So whatever it may be, virus, it might be this COVID or it might be a computer virus. If once attacked, the function, whatever it should be done, it will not be done as desired. If attacked, it may not function as desired. Virus attacks. Your computer system is prone to virus. If attacked, it may not function as desired. So first, it will be having the full speed. Computer will be working in a full speed. But once the virus attacks the computer, the speed will go, and whatever the data or the amount of information it will be there on in a computer, it may not get opened. So it may not function as we want, and it used to work earlier. Next is health. This is the main point. Children, the disadvantage of a computer, this is the main point. Working for a long time on a computer. For a long time. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight and physical growth of the children. So, if children work more, that is for a longer time on a computer, it may affect their eyesight, that is the vision will get affected, as well as the physical growth of the children too. Okay. So working for a longer time on a computer or a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight. Okay. And physical growth. You will grow, right? So that physical growth of the children also may get affected, and the eyesight too. Okay. If you work on a computer for a long time, your eyesight as well as the physical growth may be affected for children. So these were the disadvantages of a computer. Once again, I'll be telling you. The first disadvantage is decisions, where a computer works on a human orders and it cannot take its own decisions. And the second disadvantage is impact on environment, where a computer, as we all know, it works on electricity, and to generate that electricity, a lot of fuel is burnt in power plants, that is industries or power plants, where if the smokes come over outside, the environment will be affected, causing pollution. The next was cybercrime. Use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, banking frauds. So whatever we save it in a computer also can be stolen. That is stealing of data, whatever the data you would have kept in your computer, and whatever the confidential matters, your private matters, and banking frauds also can be done, where the amount also can be withdrawn or taken by some people who do the cyber crime. Next disadvantage is costly. It is a costly device. So a computer is a very expensive device. Next one is virus attacks. Your computer system is prone to virus. If attacked, it may not function as desired. So a computer may be working very nicely, but once a virus is attacked to your computer or anyone's computer, it may not work as it used to be working earlier. Next one is health. So working for a long time on a computer, children, it may affect on your eyesight as well as your physical growth also. So types of computer I have told, it is desktop computer which is kept on your it on any desk. Okay, next is laptop, smartphone, tablet, computer. So using of a mobile is also very harmful, right? And if you tell it is not mobile and you'll be using tablet, computer also, that is also very affected, That is, a child can be affected from a computer working for a longer time and on your physical growth also. So do less usage of computer, children. Don't sit too much on a computer for playing games or hearing or watching something. Okay, just have your online classes or watch the recorded sessions, and don't play games too much. Okay, because it will affect your eyesight as well as the physical growth of the children. Okay, so these were the disadvantages of a computer. So in today's class we have discussed about the advantages of a computer as well as the disadvantages of a computer. So this will be the end of our lesson 1. You'll be having the notes in your parent portal, so please go through. We'll meet up in the next computer class. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, and don't come out. In case you have to come out, then wear mask, use sanitizer, and stay safe. Okay? Take care, children. Bye.